How's it going? My name's Nick. I'm a representative for Coastal Elite Roofing. We're out here at Mr. Jake Purvis's roof at 45 Frank Edwards Road. We're going to be attempting to do a repair on this missing shingle right here. In order to do this repair, I have to remove the tar strip of the shingle row above it, and also the shingle row of the damaged shingle, and then plus one more up this way. There's a nail strip that runs here, and there's a nail strip that runs here. So I'm going to remove all those nails and then reinstall a new shingle and see how the durability of these shingles that are already up here are. So, go ahead, start by removing these rows of shingles, trying to be as gentle as possible without causing further damage. Alrighty, now that I got them adhered, I'm gonna start by removing these nails. Can you hold these? Appreciate you. I believe that's all of the nails. Yep, here's the old shingle. Just from doing that, I can already see we're kind of losing some granules on this 2 rows above where the damaged shingle is. We got a little bit of creasing going on already. Once again, we're trying to keep that as minimal as possible. So now I'm going to take this new shingle and gently slide it in. Make sure the tar strip covers up. Press it down for a good seal. Now I'm going to go back through and replace these nails in the same locations that they were in, right above the tar strip. I have to lift the shingle up at least far enough to where when I come down, my hammer doesn't clip the edge of it. Same thing here. Once again, still just trying to be as gentle as possible. Last nail for this one. Now for the row above. This is the final thing. So as you can see, I do have some creasing going on this shingle from where it was unadhered, and then slight creasing running across this shingle here. Just gonna slightly graze my hand over it so you can see a little bit better, especially right here on the corner. and then also just slightly right here. So with us replacing this one shingle, we damaged 1, 2, 3 more shingles. And with the damage all around Mr. Jake's roof, we would do nothing but cause further damage. I ask that you please evaluate this as careful as possible and take everything into consideration. Thank you. Have a great day.